Black color, another black color, guys. What? At yan, yung ating likuran. And guys, I really love black color. And guys, wow! Siya, guys. I really love it. Wow! Let's sing my new brands. Ayan. Pack. Guys, charan. Ayan po. So, black color naman, guys. Let's go. Ipipita natin po siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda nito ating black color. I really love it. My fashion for today. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Ayan. Ayan. I really love it. And siya, guys. Pack. Ayan, the green color, guys. Pack na pack yan. This one, guys, the red color. I really love it. Yan, guys. Wow! Pack na pack yan siya, guys. Wow! Ayan. Because I really love Muddy Leaf. Wow! Bag. I really love it. Pack na pack yan siya, guys. Irapan natin yung bag na to, guys.
God.
Ito naman yung aking pangatlong bag, guys, na ginagamit. Ayan. Ayan, guys, sabay-sabay ko to silang binili. At sabay-sabay ko din silang binuksan, guys. Ayan, nakatago lang kasi to siya, guys, for 1 year. And then, sabay ko silang binuksan, guys. Baka kasi masira lang at magbakbak. Ayan, ang ganda niya yung, guys, diba? Ayan. Ito yung mga bag na aking ginagamit, guys. Wow! Ayan yung aking bag na to. Ang ganda nito, guys. O, diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya pang rampa, guys. Ayan, o. Ayan. My fashion. My fashion for today is yung aking may bag. Ayan.
What?
O, diba, guys?
Oh my God.
Bags and mga dresses and also shoes, guys, yung ating mga